Friends, welcome to again my channels. Hi friends, this is Amit Thakur. So welcome to again my channels. So today I discuss you to how to print random number in Java. So with practical. So let's to start. Don't waste the time. So welcome to again. Friends, today I discuss you to program. So first of all, you create the main method. So you integrate. So start. So let's start. Don't waste the time. So first of all, you create a main class public. So string in array type. Okay. So you array type and more mistake. So let's see how to print a random number in Java. So first of all, you create the object type object. So random r dot r equal to so after that you create the for loop to print the number. First of all, int I equal to 1 and I less than equal to 10. After that you use curly braces and I plus plus and display the screen. You display the program. So your methods system dot out print system dot out random. Okay, is a random is a numbers and is a object type. Okay, object type. So random. So first of all, your random create the random dot the int next int. Okay, your next int and next int you create hundreds, millions and hundreds. That you save the program. Control plus C, control plus S. Okay, so let's do the see the output. Yo, this is your output. Your number is a very simple random number in Java. So see your output. How to output your 68 25. Yeah, is a number is a double number. Okay, it's a mathematics program. Created double number 68 25 58 60 96 and 30 42 93 and 97. Okay, so this is the random number in the program. It's a very simple program and easy to understand. So I hope you better understand the program. So uh, see you guys. So I meet you next video. So it's a big video and I hope you enjoy your life and take care. Okay friends, bye.